tips that will help you to get better at picking and timing. The first tip is start slow. Start slow. Now, this is key C. And you are starting. Start this way. It best to start slowly. Till you master. If you start slowly, you'll be able to master the keys well. Then from being slow, because once you take it slowly, you do the right thing. And then you are going to practice the right thing. That is the advantage of starting slow. Once you start slowly, the advantage is you will practice the right thing. And practice does not make perfect. Practice makes permanent. Because if you rush and you are going slow and you are going fast and you are practicing the wrong thing, that which you are practicing is going to be permanent. So practice makes permanent. But if you practice the right thing, now it will be permanently perfect. So let's start slowly. We start slowly, then we increase the speed. When we are sure that what we are pressing is the right thing, then we can now increase the speed. So start slowly. And once you are sure of what you are doing, then you can now increase the speed. That is one. The first secret is start slowly. Second, count it. Count it. Now, in this counting, do not be shy. Because sometimes when you are listening to yourself as you are counting, you might feel a bit uncomfortable. The advantage of counting is that it gives you the rhythm. It makes you to stay on the timing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one advantage of counting is you'll be able to know also how to sing when you are playing. There are people who play very nicely. They play so well there. But once they are playing and they attempt to sing, they'll mess up the song, or they'll mess up the playing. So once you start learning by counting and counting out loud, you'll be able to master how to sing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1. You see, the 1 is falling on the bass. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are mixing both the counting and the speed. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So once you count out loud, you have the high ability to sing together as you play. Another trick that will help you to master the picking is to record yourself as you play. Record yourself. Wake up, keep your phone by your side, try playing, and record it. and then you sit down, you play to yourself. When you are passing somewhere and you are listening to what you played, somebody might ask you, hey, what are you listening to? The person becomes interested. And you tell the person, no, I'm the one who played it. The person is like, no. Just that attention you got from that person from what you recorded can keep you motivated. And even you listening to yourself will to keep you motivated. Imagine this. You recorded this and you are playing to yourself. 3, 4. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name in all the world. How excellent is your name. So record yourself and then listen back. You get an immediate feedback. Even when there's nobody there to give you a feedback, recording gives you a feedback. Record, and then press the subscribe button. Now, another secret of mastering the picking is to alternate your picking. What do we mean by alternating your picking? Now, let's go down and let's come up. Simply, this is down. Now look at it. We are going down. That is down. That is down. Down. Now, this is up. Can you get that? Can you get that? Now let's do down again, and you listen carefully and repeat playing it. This is down. This is down. Now let's do the down and then we do up together. Up. Down. Up. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Down. Up. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Another secret to master your picking and timing is to use the feet to tap. You see, I'm using the feet. So if I'm playing, let's say, a song in the key that has 4 beats, I will do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm tapping my feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a special machine that can help you to tap. So in the absence of that machine, you can use your feet and still achieve the same thing. In any case, the feet is very natural. The machine is called a metronome. The metronome is used for tapping. So, take for instance, if the song is in the key, not key, it's in the beat of 3, 4. The metronome will be tapping 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then that will lead you to know when to come in when to play. 1, 2, 3. So let's say the song is in the beat of 4/4. So 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 1 has more weight because that is where the bass is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is in a 3 beat, you go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Notice the 1 has more weight, and that is the bass. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you discover that with all these drills, you are in a better position to master your picking and your timing and your speed and your ability to pick up and also pick down. The most important of everything that we have said here is please practice consistently. Even just 10 minutes a day. 10 minutes a day is more important than putting 5 hours after 2 months. 10 minutes a day is enough. It's better than 5 hours after 2 months. And then you'll be a master or a mistress in picking. Pick yourself to success. Thank you and stay with us.